To improve their gaming experience, each player may use a few extras. In this video, we examine some tech that you really ought to look into. Let's dive into it. To what extent are you an admirer of the PS5? Your gaming room can have one of the Paladone available. It stands out in the room because it lights and has multiple lighting options. Gaming headphones can occasionally feel exhausting and uncomfortable after a lengthy period of use. Headset speakers that fit around your neck are available for purchase. That is as simple as placing it around your neck. You get all the features you require, including immersive audio output, crisp voice chat, echo cancellation, and a mute button in case you need to communicate with someone outside of the game. Furthermore, its design is comfy and lightweight, making it ideal for extended use. Although Steam Decks are quite robust devices, they still require protection. You can purchase this case, which offers additional accessories in addition to front and rear device protection. Additionally, your controllers require protection from scuffs and dings. You may acquire this non-slip silicone cover for your controller to keep it safe from water and dust while gaming. It also looks great and is quite simple to install. Do you need to move your Xbox and its accessories? No issues. The Kermio Travel Backpack has side pockets for storing controllers, wires, game discs, and your Xbox console. You can even fit a tablet and a laptop in the rear. Quite practical. Going back to Steam Decks, you will need to find a docking station for it. 6 ports are included with this dock, 1 Type-C port, 1 HDMI port, 3 USB Type-3 ports, and 1 Ethernet port. Positively, it also leaves your Steam Deck's heat dissipation port unobstructed. How about safeguarding your PlayStation 5 device? You can acquire these specially designed Cycmay faceplates or console covers, which shield your console from dust and are resistant to scratches. There's no better way to power up your devices than with the 17-in-1 power strip. This one fits more easily behind shelves and tables thanks to its 45-degree right-angled flat plug. In order to accommodate all devices, it combines USB-A and USB-C, offers surge protection, and features special screw wall mounts for improved cable management. If you liked the video, please use the like, share, and subscribe buttons. You can also leave a comment below. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.